Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon po ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano po gumawa ng tempura sa simpleng paraan. Before we start, just subscribe first and enjoy watching. Here is our ingredients: 10 prawns. If you have no prawns, use shrimp, 1 large egg, 1 cup of cornstarch, and we need breadcrumbs, salt and pepper to taste, to our flour, just mix it para mag-combine po yung ating flour at ang ating salt and pepper. Beat our egg first. Just put a little cold water. Of cold water. Then it's okay. Put on our flour mixture. Put in our egg. Put into our breadcrumbs. Just repeat the process. Madali po natin siyang mahawakan at hindi po tayo mahirapan dumikit sa ating kamay. Use our other hand to our wet mixture and use our left hand to our dry mixture. Prawn. 3 minutes lang po ang ating prawn kasi po madali lang po. Ang ginamit ko pong oil ay canola oil, pero kung wala po kayong canola oil, any oil po pwede. Maganda po kung deep fry yung ating prawn sa ating oil para mabilis po na maluto at saka make sure po na lutong-luto po yung loob niya. Or pwede rin po tayong gumamit ng strainer. If you want to know how to make this sauce, Thai sauce, ilalagay ko na lang po yung link sa description box. Let's taste our prawn. Amayin ko na lang po siya. Crunchy po yung ating prawn. like this video, and if you did, just subscribe on my channel and just put thumbs up. And kung gusto nyo pong mag-suggest kung ano pong gusto nyo pong malaman na mga lutuin, just comment down below. Bye! See you on my next video.